Welcome back to my channel. We already unpacked Palo Alto 460 firewall, and now I have a mounting kit to place my 460 into this mounting kit and then place and rack into my 42U network rack. Before fixing this one, I just want to show you the manufacturing of Palo Alto 460 is very friendly in terms of environment. You will not find any exhaust for the fans for the moving air from inside, so that's why it is very ideal selection if you have your industrial branches where you have your issues with the environment, cooling, such as things. Other than this one, we have the power cable as a UK standard. Then we have one network cable, one cable for the management, one fixing bracket with the mounting kit, and the power adapter. Okay, so I have requested two power adapter to work as active as a fault tolerance. Okay, so there is no issue with the power. One more box I have. This is the packing. Let me do a mini blast. 1, 2, 3. Finally. This is the second adapter. Now let's open our mounting kits. I believe this is the rail kit inside. Yes, this is the rail kit to place with the network rack. And this is the tray. These are the screws inside and the cable ties. So guys, we will place our Palo Alto firewall in this order, and these are the brackets for I believe for my adapter. Okay, so I will fix it something like this way, and I will fix with my this brackets, and once it's done, yes, so we will fix our okay. So this way I'll fix my adapter. So we fix our adapter and our firewall. So this is the finally we have done it. Okay, guys. So this way we'll fix our Palo Alto firewall into this tray, and then I have the rail kit. I believe I will place in the rack, something like this one. Yes. Okay. So it is very friendly to move my rack from in and out in terms of cleaning the area or removing or put it back. So guys, this was our session for the fixing of Palo Alto 460 firewall, and in the next session we will connect with our Palo Alto firewall, and we will upgrade the firmware. We will see what exactly firmware inside. If it is 9 or 8, we will upgrade to the latest, which is 11.0. and we will see further things. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel Advanced Technology by Rana. Thanks.